This is Crypto Market News, taking a look at the last 24 hours in the crypto markets. Taking the crown is Salis Coin at meager volume with 60%. Notably, Omni working at $94,000 volume, 51% increase. This could be the start of something nice with Omni. However, taking a closer look, the price is already really quite high considering what they're offering. It's looking a lot like an Ethereum type product with less features at a glance. We'll give them this. Their community is very active, so that's something you might want to keep your eye on if you're considering getting in on OmniCoin. Verticoin, seeing in a week-long bull market, taking a closer look at Verticoin, you might want to get in on this fun, this high volatility, keeping in mind they're not really offering anything too new or significant. Moving on, Nova Coin spiking happening today. Looking at their entire history, this is a well-established, very old cryptocurrency, and going back from 2013. And taking a closer look, however, we're not quite sure there's too much happening here that warrants any sort of long-term consideration, seeing that the price is already pretty high and they're not really offering anything too unique that we can see. Most interestingly enough for today, we've got these two cryptocurrencies here, GameCredits and BitCrystals, both involving the gaming industry, taking a different take on how they function. Good volume, strong growth, with the potential of something happening in the long term. BitCrystals just seeing explosive growth, and again they're using the blockchain to facilitate gaming itself and the BitCrystals cryptocurrency to facilitate in-game purchases. Now GameCredits also seeing explosive growth and looking like it's still pretty cheap for what they're offering. They're offering game developers the chance to build in monetization into their games and using game credits to make that all happen and facilitate the monetization within their games. Taking a look at the past 24-hour losers, nothing too extreme. Aeon coming down from its previous peak, losing 27%. Yo Coin getting the Yo-Yo of the Week award here. Pretty decent volume with some serious volatility that you might want to take a closer look at. LBRY Credits coming off of a nice bull run that it saw, looking very bearish again, but if we take a look at the big picture with LBRY Credits, we're looking at a very well-established coin that is reasonably cheap still, considering what they're offering. We covered that in a previous episode. Impossible to consider this 1 month look, seeing this as a baseline here and looking to grow from here on in with the start of a nice bull market for LBRY Credits. Other notable losers are STEEM, seeing some pretty intense volatility. BitShares coming down off of a plateau, possibly a little bit cheap in the grand scheme of things considering what they are doing. Booolberry definitely spiking this week and coming back down to reality, considering we don't think there's too much special going on with Booolberry. So in a nutshell, you probably want to keep your eye on LBRY Credits still, and also at these very useful cryptocurrencies that have real-world utility that could still be pretty cheap for what they're offering. That's the last 24 hours in the crypto markets. Thanks for watching.